All right, I am Randy Pierce, taking a moment to do a little technology tidbit, and I wanted to talk about my Apple Watch and my iPhone and the accessibility. So, talked about VoiceOver in the blog, and I want to give a quick little demonstration here. So, VoiceOver changes how things work as well as having them speak. And on my iPhone, you're going to hear it. I've slowed it down so that it'll be more comfortable for most of you. As I move it, boy, that's really slow. I'm going to speed up a little bit.
Edit mode. Language, actions, headings, character, words, speaking 55, 60.
Let's go to 55%. So it highlights the command that I might want to use, like calendar, or if I flick,
Weather.
the weather app,
Tap watch.
or the watch app. And I'm going to ask Tracy to zoom in on this. And you can see that instead of launching those apps, it's actually highlighted them. And as I flick to them,
Messages.
it can move to
Double tap to
text
open.
messages or whatever I may want to launch. Similarly, I can touch anywhere on it,
TV folder.
and it will
Contacts.
highlight whatever I've
Double tap to
touched.
open.
Now what I actually want is the watch app, which I know is in the upper
Watch.
left,
Double
and I'm
tap
going to
to
open that by double tapping anywhere on the screen. So VoiceOver simply changes the rules for how it works and has it speak so I can know what's going to happen on this screen. And similarly, they have a device for doing that on my Apple Watch. And this Series 4 has a big screen. It speaks everything to me. I have chose a watch face that gives me 5 basic complications. I want the time. It's a watch after all.
6 to 8 p.m., 5:09 p.m.
So it spoke out that it was 5:09, but that's pretty quiet. I can adjust the volume with a simple hand gesture, 2-finger double tap.
90%.
And I move the volume up, so now even when I'm out running or if I'm in a loud, noisy environment where I might be doing a presentation, I can still hear it. Again, the time?
6 to 8 p.m., 5:10 p.m.
5:10 p.m., because it took me a whole minute apparently to do that. Also on this, I have the date.
Thursday, April 4th.
If I flick beyond that, what I'll get is my calendar, which you heard.
6 to 8 p.m. Workout with Endora Fitness.
I have a workout coming up with Endora Fitness as I do my cross training this evening. And then if I flick again,
Sunny, 49.
it tells me that it's sunny and 49 degrees, which I often vary when I want to get ready to know what to wear when Autumn and I go out for our walk. And the last thing I'm going to get on this,
Sunset, 7:13.
it tells me sunset or sunrise, whatever's next. And I care about that because being totally blind, I want to know when I'm going to turn on the lights for friends and family when they come to visit or when I don't have to worry about that. Now I can choose all different complications on this. It has my running apps, but all of those features I'll tell you about another time. The last thing I want to show you is I can change complications and watch faces with simple hand gestures.
Photos.
And one of the things I love to do with my watch is have a tribute to my boy Quinn on my watch face when it's giving me things regularly.